Feels weird to be setting up my vlog camera. Welcome back to vlogs, guys. It's been a bit, but we're back. Today I have a lot to do inside the house. I need to do some cleaning. I need to pack. We're going to Florida next week. We're going to Florida. We're going to Warped Tour, which is so exciting. I'm so happy to be going with Eargasm. We decided we were going to do Warped Tour for 2 days, and then we were just going to stay in Florida for the week for a little vacation because I feel like my body's going to need it after a 2-day music festival at 34 years old. So I'm definitely going to take you guys with me on our little travel journey and bring you to Warped Tour with me and then take you on vacation with us. But today I have to pack, I have to organize, I have to make sure my office is clean because I need to film some sponsored content before I go, hopefully if the sun will allow it. And then what else am I doing today? I'm doing a psychic chakra clearing. I've done this once before and it honestly changed my life, so I wanted to do it again before this trip because I just feel like with that and then a little vacation away, maybe it will give me like a fresh perspective when I come back from vacation. I've just been feeling a little creatively drained at the moment, so that's what's going on. That's what we're gonna do today. It's just gonna be spend the day with me, and I'm happy to be vlogging again. Make sure you're following me on my socials too. I'll just leave them right here. I also found this camera in the trenches of my camera bags. I forgot about it. This is the Sony A6100, I believe. So we're testing it out. I have a million and one cameras. I don't know what I like to vlog on because I'm just so particular with how I want my videos to look. So I do like a higher quality camera when I'm vlogging, but I will be taking like the DJI and stuff out when I'm at restaurants or walking around outside. It's just easier than holding a big camera, so maybe this is just going to be my like in-house camera. This is currently what we're dealing with. These were organized at one point for like packing. I want to go through those today, pack all this up for my suitcase for our trip, and just get my office clean because it needs some help right now. And I also went out last night, so like I hated everything that I tried on, so it's a mess in here. Is anybody else like that when they go out to a restaurant or like out with friends, they try on a million things and they just hate everything that they own? Because that happens to me every single time I go out. I'll have an outfit idea in my head and then I try it on and I'm like, I'm so uncomfortable, I can't wear this. And then I try on 10 million different things. What do you think? You ready for your walk? You ready for your walk? Yourself fun? Ryder, good check on him. So lately in the morning, I've been making myself some ceremonial grade cacao. If you don't know the benefits of that, I can talk about it at a different time, but it does have a lot of health benefits for when you are on your cycle. It just helps with like your mood and different vitamins in your body. So I've been doing that this week. I've been making it with some honey and some cinnamon just to kind of give it some more flavor and to like, I don't know, make it more sweet and tasty. I've actually been really loving it. I feel like it's definitely helped with a few things and maybe it's just all in my head, but the one that I've been using is the Keith's cacao. This is, I've seen people talk about this online and it's 100% pure ceremonial grade. So we're gonna make that and then we're gonna head upstairs and start tackling the office. Okay, you are balanced in a very bad way, but I can't find my tripod. Everything is for the most part organized. I know, it doesn't look that way, but I just need to like sort it in cubes and we should be good. Okay, okay. So I ended up switching back to the DJI only because the other camera, which I completely forgot, this is probably why I stopped using it in the first place, the stabilizer is not that great, so it's very shaky. So we'll be filming on the DJI from now on, and hopefully the sound's okay because I really don't want to mic up for a vlog. So this is how far we got. Not that far. I mean, everything is pretty much packed, but the room is still a mess. But that's okay. We'll get to that at some point. I'm just getting my computer ready for my chakra cleanse, and maybe I'll film some of it. I'm not sure yet.
You're a man here, probably 48 to 52. You have like your hair parted, very slick to your head.
We are on our way to Target. I have to get a few things. Well, we both have to get a few things for vacation. And then when we get back, I will talk to you guys about the chakra reading because it was very interesting. All the fall stuff's on sale. Hopefully you can hear me fine because Colin has a soccer game on downstairs and it's pretty loud. My chakra reading yesterday. So I've seen her once before, and the first session was more of a healing. This second one that I did was more like life path and like career, and I don't want to like share too much because it's just like personal to me. It was a really good reading, let's just say that. And then I did have a clip in yesterday of she saw like a past life ring in my chakra, my soul. I don't know, but it was pretty interesting because apparently I was a man in a past life and I was a science professor, and around 1793 I believe she said. It was really interesting to me, and pretty much I just need to be lighter on myself and I don't know, give myself more grace pretty much, and just have confidence in everything that I do because I second guess everything. And I feel like that definitely is why I haven't been like on YouTube and like creating different types of content, because I'm just like in my own head all the time. So it was a really good reading, but now a little update on our trip. We might be driving to Florida and there's all these flights getting canceled. We just feel like it's gonna be the best idea to drive down. We're still trying to figure that out. We have to make that decision today pretty much because we have to pack and then we have to go to my mom's house so we can drop the dog off. And also we're going to see a Day to Remember and Yellowcard tonight, so I need to do all that before 6 o'clock. Actually 5 o'clock because we have to drive down to the venue. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get our shit together. I'm gonna go get my luggage and start packing things and like really organizing my shit because I need to get my brain together. All right, things that I shouldn't be doing right now but decided to do. I decided to sticker my water bottle for Warped Tour. So a lot of these companies have sent me stickers. They're actually going to be there. A lot of them are sponsors of Warped Tour. So I wanted to just like have like a memory from Warped Tour. It was just gonna be my water bottle because I'm definitely gonna bring this with me. And whether Colin likes it or not, I'm gonna sticker his because I have extra stickers, so we're gonna do that now. I was gonna put stickers on my clear backpack, but I don't know if you're allowed to do that because they need to be able to like see what's in your bag. So I figured water bottle is the best bet. This is Colin's. This is mine. I love this one. I'm so excited to try these. I've heard amazing things about them. Road trip snacks are packed. I also got a few of these Symbiotica vitamin C's. I've never tried them before. I don't know if you guys have tried them. If you have, let me know. All right, so I finally got ready. This is what we're working with. I just wanted to wear my hair up for the show. This is the outfit that we have going. I have some tall boots on too. I haven't vlogged much because we've just been packing and running around like crazy. So we're gonna go to the show and we're gonna have an amazing time. And I don't know how much I'll vlog after because I'm gonna have to actually edit this video. So let's go to the show and you'll see whatever I vlog when I'm there.
presentation. Now it's done.